Yes, welcome my people. Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you what is going to happen to the next week in trading forex, guys. As you can see here, I have the first chart which is GBP USD. As you can see, in a 30-minute time frame, the market ended up closing this higher low, then higher high. Okay, then we saw the shift of the structure. So this is telling us now we are retracing to the 1 hour time frame area of interest, okay? So what you're supposed to see, we're supposed to wait for the market to come back at the supply zone before selling to the downside to the area of interest, okay? Then from there, we're going to expect to see the market will have further more push up to the upside, guys, to this supply zone, because if I switch to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that this zone is very interesting zone. Why? Because if you look to the left, you can see that this zone previous was acted like a support, but by the moment we'll use it as a resistance. So here is where I'm waiting the market to come and starting selling to the downside, guys. So another pair is Euro USD. As you can see, this is my analysis, and I believe that the market will do what is has already analyzed here. Okay, as you can see, the same movement as in GBP USD, higher high, higher low, higher high. However, there's no clear shift of the structure, but I believe we will see the shift of the structure and see the market pushing to the downside to our area of interest to see a strong momentum to push the market to the area of interest. This is very important zone. Why? Because as you can see, if you look left in this area, here is where previous movement was happened, okay, and this zone here was acted like as a support. So in our recent time, this zone will act as the resistance and to start selling to the downside, okay. So this is a very strong level of supply. As well, if we switch on to 1 hour time frame, you can see the clear picture here, okay. The market end up forming higher high, higher low, higher high, okay. So we're waiting for the market to have a short pullback to this area before having upward movement to the supply zones here, okay. So as well here we use that supply to push the market to the downside, guys. That is all about the Euro USD. If we switch on gold, you can see that gold also um, ended up with the formation of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we saw a strong push to the upside, guys. So after seeing this strong push to the upside, the market is ended up to the area of interest, guys. This is zone of interest. Okay, as you can see, this zone here was actually as a support. So from market reaching this zone, as you can see, we start to see some sort of rejection in this big engulfing candlestick, which is telling us that now we are shifting structure. Okay, so the market ended up to make a lower high and lower low. So now I'm waiting for a little pullback to form a lower high before saying downward push the downward for cookie scalping, guy. For you scalper there, you can take short here and targeting any area around these areas, okay. Then if I switch to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that still we are still want to see a deep pullback before seeing actual push to the upside, guys, in gold. So that this is all about it, about gold. If I switch to another pair, which is USD/JPY, the same thing. As you can see in 30-minute time frame, the market ended from higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Okay, now we end up seeing the shift of the structure. After seeing the shift of the structure, we end up making lower high, then lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I want to see another lower high before clear push to the downside, guys. However, in this USD/JPY, the market can either pushing direct to the upside. However, I will be comfortable if to see this market forming another lower low before seeing upward movement. So if I switch to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it's a clear picture, guys. Here, I'm waiting the market to come around this supply zone before seeing short push to the downside before with clear upward movement, which we call it as impulsive movement, guys. So also, as you can see, we have double top pattern here at the top here. So we're waiting the market to come and take this double top, okay, before anything to happen, guys. So this is all about USD/JPY. Another pair is the NZD/USD. As you can see here in 30-minute time frame, the market forming higher high, higher low, then higher high, okay, then higher low. What happened from lower high, then lower low? So I'm waiting the market to have a little pullback to this area structure zone here before pushing to the downside, then to our area of interest to see a big movement to the upside, guys. So if I switch to the 15 minutes, you can see a create. We're waiting for a little pullback around these areas before pushing to the downside, then having major movement to the upside, guys. So that is all about this pair, which is the DUSD. Another pair is AUD USD. The same thing that I'm anticipating in NZD USD. The same. I'm waiting for a little pullback, okay, and have cookies cap for selling, and then waiting for major movement to the upside. So that is all about this AUD USD, guys, as you can see. So yeah, so those are my pairs of the week. So I'm waiting to see what is gonna happen, guys. So that is all I'm saying now, and I'm waiting what is going to happen around those areas of interest, guys. So we are supposed to be very, very patient and disciplined, so that we can have good trading, guys. So yeah, it's Nay here again. So I'm doing this so that to help you traders there who are still struggling on technical analysis on how we analyze the market before actual move to happen. So just you're supposed to analyze it in a proper way so that you can have good trade in your week. Okay, so thank you for your times. See you next time.